G'day guys, welcome back to Jar is Moi, and today we're cooking Miss Devitt's Burgers, otherwise known as Mrs. Beatty now. This recipe is from her, so we'll be making them, and they are delicious burgers, I promise you that. For this recipe we'll need 500 grams of mince, we'll need 4 eggs, some cheese, salt and pepper, barbecue sauce, honey, Tuscan seasoning, and breadcrumbs. Do not forget the bacon. As well as some McDonald's burger buns, which you can buy now from Macca's. So yeah, let's get cooking.
If you can't get Macca's buns, just find some buns. Depends where you get them from.
Oh, yeah, thanks. First thing we're going to do is grab our mince. Grab that after sanitizing my hands, I promise you. I'm going to put all the mince in there. We're going to chop the bacon into like little cubes, and the easiest way is to stack them all on top of each other, 4 bits of bacon, and just slice through like that. And then we just cut it across that way to, oops, that did not work, and to make cubes. Now we are slicing our bacon into the bowl. I like that. Now we're grabbing 4 eggs, and we're gonna crack all 4 in there. This is the one hand cracked egg. Oh, I've never actually done this before.
It's okay. Right, it's not videoing.
We need a cup of cheese. Yeah. There's the cup of cheese. We need 2 teaspoons of Tuscan seasoning. Quan? How do you say 2 in French, Mum? Bonjour. 8 tablespoons of breadcrumbs.
That's a cup.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dos. 1 teaspoon of honey. Oh no, sorry, 2 teaspoons. So we need half a cup of barbecue sauce. Oh, I can't see. Get heavy.
Heavy.
That goes in there. And lastly, we just need a pinch of pepper and a handful of pinch of salt. Now we grab our wooden spoon, and we now have to wash it because I hit it with my hand, which had blood on it. And now we mix it in with our wooden spoon. So this is what it should look like once it's all combined. Now we're grabbing this little meat patty mix of, what is it?
Meat squasher? I don't know.
A patty molder.
Ooh.
And we're gonna put our mixture, and we're gonna put our mince in there, grab the patty molder, and so now let's just scoop the rest of the mixture in. Joe, stop! No. That's Joe's. So we got our 4 patties for me, Joe, Curtis and Mum. And this last one will just be for Dad. So we finished Dad's. And we're just gonna take it out. And so Hope Dad enjoys big burgers. I'm just putting the for real last one on. And now we're going to go get ready to cook them on the barbie. We've just finished buttering our gourmet buns from Macca's. So we'll keep that over there. Got our patties ready to go on the barbie outside. And we'll also have Mum Modlin cooking the eggs and the bacon inside for the burgers. So let's take these out and get cooking on the barbie. We're going to be putting the grill and the plate on now. The barbie. Now we're going to grab our patties. We're going to place them on the grill. Place them all on the grill. Stuck. Maybe can you get that off, please? Thank you. Now we want to press them down quite a bit and flatten them out. Oh, without them sticking. Now that they're cooking, we're going to toast our buns on the barbie. Get all of them on there. Kobe. I don't know if it's ready yet. Oh, it's falling through. Okay, so I made a mistake. I should have put these on the grill because they will just half the burger will just fall through the bottom.
Mom, Elijah made a mess.
Just go like this and you'll never see them again. Even the best, like me and Gordon Ramsay, make mistakes. You know, it happens to the greatest of all. So yeah, that didn't work out. This is where they should have gone and been flattened down. The buns are toasted enough, so that's good. Take them inside some other freezer. I'll just give them a flip now. Yep, is it going? I would say that these 4 back ones are looking pretty ready. They're looking a bit crispy on both sides. Just going to drag it out and transfer it to a tray with paper towel. Onion on the barbie. Now it's time to make the burgers. Let's grab our toasted buns. I'm going to grab the avocado and grab the avo and put it on there. Now we grab our lettuce and we're going to put it on the bottom to soak up all the fat from the burger. Next, of course, is the actual burger. And we're going to place it on there, get rid of that. We're going to grab our cheese. Cheese on next. After that, we're going to grab an egg. Followed by some bacon. Followed by another slice of cheese. A tomato. Trying to get the big size of beetroot. And there, what's that little one doing? Some carrot. Tomato sauce on this bun here. Sprinkled around. And lastly, I'm going to get some onion. Caramelized onion. Place it just on top. Place this on top. Squish down. And we have our burger. Whoa. Don't fall over. Ooh.